2016 Schwing SP500, 45 cubic yards an hour. This machine will be delivered completely refurbished. Right now you see the machine as is, as it stands. We haven't touched it at all. It just came into our shop. We did a couple of things here for safety, but other than that, we haven't done any actual work to it. We're going to replace wear plates, cutting rings, all the things that it requires. But this is the condition it came in. It's actually in really good shape. We're gonna be putting the agitator shaft. We're gonna be putting the agitator system back on. We're gonna be removing all the stuff on the hopper and putting all brand new stuff. We're gonna be securing the outriggers. We're gonna be removing this type of stuff here, like ropes and things that are not supposed to be. Those are going to be removed. We're going to fix the hood. You see here what they've done on this. Gauges, hydraulic oil, temperature gauges, pressure gauges, accumulator gauges. We're gonna refresh this screen here, or this screen panel. We're gonna put all new stuff in there. The hydraulic pump has been pressure tested. The engine has been tested for compression. Everything looks good there, but we're still gonna do a complete service. We're gonna put a brand new battery. We're gonna, like I said already, we're gonna put new oil, and the hydraulic filter that goes all the way back there, that's all gonna be brand new. We're gonna put new fenders. Well, probably not. We're gonna see if the fenders are still, if we can make them work like this. They look nice, shiny and stuff. If not, then we'll replace them. We'll put brand new tires. Actually, they already placed the new tires on them. We're gonna place new axles, new axle bearings, and new brakes. The lights are gonna be replaced. As you see, there's no lights. We gotta put a new bracket here for the lights, and we're gonna do the wire harness. This is the old wire harness. We're gonna replace it for a brand new one. And we'll make sure that there's no leaks or anything like that, any loose things such as this. All of that gotta go. We'll have a new trapdoor, a new trapdoor seal, new piston cups, new e-stops. I mean, the whole thing is gonna look beautiful, and I'm gonna show you more or less what it's going to look once it's finished. So here's a sample unit when we finish our pumps. This is what will be delivered on that SP500. This is one of them. See, all painted. Now we're not gonna paint it like car finish type of paint, but it'll have new stickers and it'll have nice paint. Here's another example. This is an Putzmeister TK40. Again, new stickers, new everything. And you have this one too. This is another Schwing. So the final product, the end product, will be looking very similar to this. Thank you.